A very good morning to all. Today we are going to see about energy efficient landscape design. What do you mean by energy efficient landscape design? It is a sustainable approach to modifying outdoor spaces to reduce, mainly to reduce energy consumption, lower cost, and improve environmental quality. These are some very important strategic developments. It involves strategic planning of trees, shrubs, water features, and materials to optimize energy use for heating, cooling, and lighting. What are the benefits of energy efficient landscaping? Very important thing is the first primary cause is to save water, enhance comfort, reduces energy cost, improves air quality, increases property value. Then design strategies for energy efficient landscaping. Very important energy efficient landscaping design strategies are strategic tree and plant placement that deciduous tree, evergreen trees, shrubs and vines. Then sustainable hardscaping, light colored and reflective surfaces. It's mainly used to reduce heat absorption in walkways and patios. Then permeable pavement. The very important objective of permeable pavement. What means permeable? It allows water. So allows rainwater absorption and reducing runoff. Mulching retains soil moisture, reducing irrigation needs. An efficient outdoor lighting is very important design strategies in energy efficient landscaping. That is first is the LED and solar lights. Energy saving alternatives is a very important thing for saving energy. Then motion sensors and timers. It's mainly reduce unnecessary energy use. Then another important thing is smart irrigation systems. It's a very important thing is the drip irrigation. Minimize water waste by delivering water directly to plant roots. Then rain sensors prevent overwatering during rainy conditions. Then zoned irrigation, different watering schedules. They are for different plant types. Microclimate. It's a very important topic in energy efficient building design. A microclimate is a localized climate that differs from the surrounding areas, generally climate due to natural or man-made factors. So we are going to change the climate condition based on the environmental surroundings and areas. It can be focused in, it can be found in urban environments, forest, valleys, and even inside buildings also. Microclimates influences very important parameters such as temperature, humidity, and wind patterns and precipitations within a small area. Factors influencing microclimate. The very important factor is topography, then bodies of water, vegetation, soil type, buildings and infrastructure, human activities, green roofs and cool roofs. Microclimate methods. First one is vegetation based methods. Another one is water based methods. So vegetation based methods that planting trees and green spaces. How we plant trees? Trees provide shade, reduce heat absorption and improve air quality. So we are planting more trees and green spaces. Then green roofs and vertical gardens. It's a very important thing to absorb heat and cool the air and increase insulation in urban environments. Another important thing is windbreaks and shelter belts. Rows of trees protect against storm winds and reduce soil erosion. In water-based methods, lakes, ponds, and water features is mainly for evaporation from water bodies, lower surrounding air temperatures. Rainwater harvesting and irrigation. It maintains humidity levels and supports plant growth. Then misting and fogging systems. Then evaporate cooling. These are the methods in water-based. Then built environmental modification is very important. First thing is building orientation. So position of building is mainly responsible for this microclimate. So position of building to maximize natural light and wind flow reduces energy use. Then reflective and cool roofs. White or reflective materials minimize heat absorption. So we are going for light color, not for dark color. Shading devices. Shading device is nothing but control solar radiations and reduces heat gain. Thermal mass materials. Materials like brick and stone absorb heat during the day and release it at night. Permeable pavements. So reduces urban heat while allowing rainwater absorption. So another important method is urban planning strategies. In that smart street layouts. That means wide tree-lined streets reduce heat buildup, wind corridors, then compact city design, mixed land use. These are very important thing for reduce. The main objective is to reduce energy. That's all. And another important thing is the technical and innovative methods, technological and innovative methods. So geothermal heating and cooling, Then smart irrigation system. Smart irrigation system is a very important system. Smart important. Then artificial shading structures, solar energy utilization. So these are the important technological wise microclimate is classified. So agriculture and rural methods. Mulching. We already saw means mainly for soil erosion to reduce soil erosion. Terracing modify slopes to prevent soil erosion and regulate temperatures. Then greenhouses and shade houses. Then agroforestry. So then climate specific adaptation methods. So these are based on the climate specific region. For example, desert regions, tropical regions, urban heat islands. Very important thing is about shading. Shading is nothing but is essential strategy for controlling solar radiation, reducing heat gain, and improving energy efficient in buildings, landscapes, and urban environments. It enhances mainly to prevent, to block direct sunlight, reduce glare, and lowering cooling cost. Types of shading techniques. The first shading is natural shading. Natural shading we already know about. We are planting more trees and green spaces, vines and green walls, green roofs, hedges and shrubs. So these are the thing for natural shading. Architectural shading. Architectural shading is nothing but overhangs. From building point of view, overhangs and ivings, fixed or retractable structures prevent direct sunlight from entering windows. Pergolas used in outdoor spaces to provide partial shading. Then sun breakers, mainly for fixed horizontal or vertical wires blocking excess sunlight. Shading screens, adjustable screens to control light penetration inside the buildings. So these are some architectural shading. Urban and structural shading is nothing but shade structures and tension fabrics, bus shelters, covered walkways, then shaded parking areas. So these are comes under urban and structural shading. Technological shading is nothing but smart glass and electrochromic windows we are fixing in buildings. It's transparent. So automated lowers and blinds, photovoltaic shading. These are the pictures for shading for blocking the direct sunlight. So the orientation of shading, we planting more trees, shrubs, green walls for blocking the daylight sunlight. Benefits of shading: reduce cooling cost, enhances comfort, prevent glare and UV damage, improves energy efficiency, enhances aesthetics. Water bodies. So very important parameter in energy efficient building. Water bodies are often used for temperature regulation, passive cooling. It's mainly for cooling effect and sustainable water management to improve energy performance and reduce environmental impact. It's a very important thing to reduce heat. Role of water bodies in energy efficient buildings: passive cooling and climate control. Water bodies help regulate temperatures through evaporative cooling, reducing the need for air conditioning. Then reflective surface for natural light. Then geothermal and hydrothermal energy. Rainwater harvesting and grey water recycling is a very important parameter for water bodies. Then urban heat island mitigation. Water bodies. So example for water bodies. The first diagram shows the rainwater harvesting, and second diagram shows the water bodies inside the building. So in that first diagram, the tank is there. WC is nothing but water collector. Then garden, then pump is there. The recycled water, the collected rainwater for mainly used for car wash, then gardening purpose, recycling of water. The water bodies example for the rainwater harvesting, grey water recycling units are there. Low flow recycling. So in that the waters are collected and recycled. Then it can be used in used for gardening purposes. Then for washing cars and all. Then another important topic is about building envelope. So building envelope is a physical barrier between the interior and exterior of building, playing a crucial role in energy efficiency, thermal comfort, and indoor climate control. The building envelope includes all the building components that separates the indoors from the outdoors. The very important components for building envelope is about walls, roof ceiling, then windows and doors, floors and foundation. So walls are mainly for providing insulation and structural support. Roofs and ceilings mainly act as a thermal barrier to reduce heat gain glass. Windows and doors mainly for control ventilation, natural heat and heat transfer. Floors and foundation mainly influence for insulation. Functions of building envelope. The very important function is thermal insulation, air sealing, moisture control, natural ventilation and daylighting. Thermal insulation is we reduce the mainly for reduces the heat transfer, minimizing heating and cooling needs. Air sealing prevents air leaks, improve HVAC efficiency, moisture control for protects against water infiltration and condensation. Natural ventilation daylighting and indoor air quality and reduces energy use. So diagram for building envelope. The separation between the interior and the exterior component. Windows and door flashings are there. Below grade waterproofing is there. Double-sided tape for barriers. Protective coating for concrete. Roof adhesives and underlayments. Then liquid flashings for roof systems. These are the components for building. So thank you for listening.